Hi, Bahay Nordic! Welcome to our vlog too. So this is the status of our apartment after we have removed all the furnitures. So ganito po exactly ang itsura niya nung na-turn over po sa amin. This is the master bedroom. And this is the living room. Hi kay Kuya. Sila po yung mag-work today. And this is our second bedroom. This is day 2. As you can see, they start removing yung partition sa wall because we're planning na i-replace po yan ng sliding door mechanism to save space. And yung vision po is very minimalist. So as you can see, kailangan po nilang baklasin yung mga existing mechanism ng door. And here's my sister helping out para po ma-save namin yung mga materials na tatanggalin na hopefully we can reuse it to my parents' rental. And then this is yung itsura po nung flooring once na natanggal na po yung mga synthetic flooring. And then nag-start na din po silang magbaklas ng mga tiles. Actually, tinakpan din po nila yung existing partition nung mga bedroom. So, kumapal po siya at naging mas matibay. And they prepared na din yung access sa mga switch and mga light mechanism. So, ito po, I think this is about day 2 of our renovation. So, napakabilis nilang kumilos actually. So, I was a bit shocked. And satisfied, of course. Then, ito po yung itsura ng aming flooring and status ng condo or apartment. Then, as you can see, nag-start na din po sila mag-build ng ceiling mechanism namin. Actually, nagkaroon po kami ng problema sa ceiling dahil po sa sprinkle. So, we have to change the design. And we opted for that kind of design to fix po yung sprinkle issue. So, ito po yung status ng second bedroom. And then, yes, ayan po yung ceiling namin as of the moment. Thank you guys for watching and tune in for more updates.